Ma'am, I think this is a model of the earth, but why it is showing more dark blue color and less green color?
Okay, let me guide you about all of these. Here in this model, dark blue areas represents water bodies and green areas represents land masses. It means the surface of the earth is covered by land as well as water. Do you know how much of the earth is covered by land and how much by water? Land makes up about 1/4 and water 3/4 of the earth's total surface area. It means approximately 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water, which is divided into oceans and seas, and 29% of the earth's surface is covered with land.
Ma'am, if we call water bodies as oceans, then what do we call these land masses?
Dear, let us discuss about these land masses. Very large land masses are called as continents. There are 7 continents in the world. These are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Australia. Let us discuss about them one by one. Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. It is made up of 48 countries. Our country, India, is also located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Mount Everest, which is the highest mountain in the world, is in Asia. Africa. It is world's second largest and second most populated continent with 54 countries. It is located on equator, that's why it is very hot. Diamond and gold mines are also found here. North America. It is the third largest continent. It is made up of 23 countries. The most popular attraction of this continent is Disneyland. South America. It is the fourth largest continent made up of 12 countries. It is home to world's highest waterfall, Angel Falls. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. It is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent and least populated. It is home to a variety of penguin species. Europe. It is the second smallest and third most populated continent with 50 countries. In this continent, popular attraction is Eiffel Tower. Australia. It is the smallest continent. It is referred to as an island continent surrounded by oceans. Here, the most well-known animals are kangaroos and koalas. Now you know about 7 continents. Let us discuss about oceans. Very large water bodies are known as oceans. There are 5 oceans in the world. Number 1, Pacific Ocean. It is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. Number 2, Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's second largest ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. It is named after our country India. It is the third largest and warmest ocean in the world. Number 4, Southern Ocean. It is the fourth largest ocean and it was officially recognized in the year 2000. Number 5, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean in the world. Important points to remember. Largest continent is Asia. Smallest continent is Australia. Largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. All the 7 continents and 5 oceans made the world a beautiful place to live.